Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today's project name is Kindu. What is Kindu and how it will work and what is their mission? First of all, we will know about their mission and later we will know how it works. Kindu's mission is to build a universal social capitalism without tax in trade as well and incentivized alternative way to make money for everyone by giving financial and democratic power to anon social being whatever is holding to regulate financial powers. Kindle builds to network both using NFT technology in a revolutionary way. First is Alpha, make you build perpetual Kindle based passive income by linking your own NFT to your own social network profile and by giving relative difficulty based ultimated upwards to your favorite content creators or simply by holding Kindle thanks to a first of list kind of proof of social utility algorithm that works as a differentiatory social farming system bring outstanding positive reflection and negative reflection not in Kindle trade but in Kindle's use. The second network beta make you a community driven and NFT based index fund used as over-collateral in an NFT based P2P lending system simply by underlying your own NFT with your own fungible token redeemable at any time. And this is the tokenomics detail 1 billion can do 40% bounty campaign 40% LP lockers 10% team 10% marketing and operations. Utility Kindu is a utility driven disinflation mechanism using tokenized promoting power as value store and outstanding use case of NFT technology. Can read permissionless vote detail. Vote without permission to balance an investment fund or use a Kindu based ultimate unlimited upvote system in a NFT social API based search engine with a relative difficulty in use built by proof of social utility algorithm that differentiate vote from the candidate and A and from tier B. Now you can read social yield system benefit from our differentially proof of social utility algorithm that makes you earning Kindu from tier users through a positive reflection mechanism by receiving Kindu based upward and earn Kindu in time by using team through a negative reflection mechanism. NFT augmentation trades your NFT with average future Kindu perpetual social yield monetizable social rank lending claims under light token and collateralized fund or merge augmented NFT in Kindu interface. And this is alpha network detail into quantum use burn for upward mineable perpetual daily Kindu and this is the detail of beta network underlying upward ether NFT fund and this is the white paper detail you can read out here by clicking and can open it on new tab. These are their two social links Telegram and Twitter. As Bounty is live, you can participate as Bounty. I will provide the link in video description. This is all about this project Kindu revolutionizing solidarity through favorite crypto communities and social network. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Hello, yes.